Hi, welcome back to Calculus channel. For today's video, we're going to define what is a circle, and we're able to find its center, radius, and we're going to graph it as well. So, without further ado, let's start. First, let us define a circle. A circle is all points in a plane that are fixed distance from a given point. The given point is called the center, HK, and the fixed distance is called the radius, R, of the center. If we are given this equation, as you can see, it is written in general form. In able to find the center and the radius, we're going to convert it into standard form. We know that the standard form of a circle is written as x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. In this given example, first thing we're going to do is to combine like terms. So we have x squared plus 8x plus y squared plus 2y equals to 19. When transposing number from this side on the other side, the sign must be changed. Next step is completing the square process. X squared plus 8x plus blank plus y squared plus 2y plus blank is equals to 19. So, in able to complete the square, we should divide this 8 into 2 and square it. 8 divided by 2 is 4. The square of 4 is 16. 2 divided by 2 is 1. The square of 1 is 1. We're going to write it here. Next thing we're gonna do is to add everything here, to add this on the other side. Remember, when you add on this side, you have to add it on the other side as well to keep it balanced. So we have x squared plus 8x plus 16 plus y squared plus y plus 1 equals to 19 plus 16 plus 1. Next thing we're going to do is to perform a binomial square method. Reason of performing completing the square is to 1, to create a perfect square trinomial. Number 2 is to create a binomial square. So, x plus 8, 16 divided by 2 is 8 squared plus y squared plus 1 divided by 1 is 1 squared is equals to 19 plus 1, 20 plus 16, 36. As you can see, it's we are already in a standard form. We can determine the center, the h and k, but how about the radius? Take note that a radius is squared, so we should square it. The square root of 36 is 6. To simplify it, we have x plus 8 squared plus y, plus y plus 1 squared is equals to 6. Now that we have this equation is already in standard form, we can determine that our h and k, which is the center, and our r, which is the radius, is -8 and -1. It is negative because whenever you transpose a number, it should be different sign. The sign should be changed. And our radius is 6. This is our center and our radius. Now that we have our center and our radius, we are now able to graph it. Our center is -8 and -1. Remember that our radius is the length of the line from the center to any point on its edge. And able to graph the radius, we should count 6 units away from the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be our center, and our radius will be -6. So next, using this compass, we're now able to draw a circle.